Nano Babo, Kabalen, kumusta kayo po na? Ako po Louis Season.
Mark Kunanan, we're in Pampanga.
Guys, ngayon po nga doon ngayon, may invite kami kaning Angeles City and ining restaurant na atyuta mo ngayon is a Japanese restaurant. Ing lagyo na po ning restaurant atyuta mo ngayon is Nihon, Machi.
Grill Cafe Restaurant.
At mo pong abi ngayon, so ikit nila pong mag-dine kayo. So instead of, you know, ikami mong makatakman ka rin papa-taste test na kayo. So include taala po kayong video tamo. So abayin taala na.
So, tara, let's go!
Let's go! To give you a rundown of our food for today, guys. So, I think this tonkatsu, hindi naman kaya katamo. Salmon to, yeah, salmon belly, mga yan. Kibat deni, yakitori. So, atin tamong pork, atin tamong naman chicken, and I think this is
soft pork
ribs. Amazing! So, ini Nihon Machi salad, look at the size of that one. Then, kung karelang best sellers Kenny or retapin must order Kenny guys are the sushis. Pansin nyo, no? So, tinta mong sushi, and then ramen. Kaida Kenny, authentic Japanese cuisine lang kiklaim da Kenny. Kasi, then po magluto Kenny guys, Japanese siya talaga. And chef ya king Japan, natin yung sariling restaurant kari. Then, lagyo da rin pamang da Kenny, lugar la king Japan. Kasi from the name itself na Nihon Machi, Japanese town. Enough with the talk, let's get into the dishes. Let's dig in! So habang manayos kami ngayon guys, dinanda ko yung trivia. So actually they just opened September of 2019. So pisala pong magpakilala kaya katamo na kaning Angeles City and the entire province as well. Ayan. Pakilala talang pasabay rin kaya katamong hashtag tukin mo on the spot. So Stacy ang po Luis. Dita ko niya kato kayo guys. So nung ikayo ma'am, usually na ano yung orderan nyo kanyan Kenny?
Ito po na din yung order ni tonkatsu po.
Okay. Shoyu ramen. Okay. Kita pina deng best sellers da Kenny. Dening ramen. Siguro ako naman umpisan ko siguro karening yakitori. Ali kayo Marina ha.
Apo.
Nung nanong buriyo ka na.
Thank you po.
Ne.
Ano lang kagana ka-swear guys.
Sa Pampanga nila Marine, Kenny Makantano.
Ela Marina.
Bayo lang mama ano sa sasabihan da. Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
Tapos mo namin na Luis Desu. My name is Luis. Onjuro Stacy.
Onjuro means love.
No.
She is.
She is. Okay. We're learning guys, we're learning. So another trivia, the place is actually renovated from a house into a restaurant natin ganini. So pansinan nyo guys kahit ang harap na. Actually super simple among facade mga yan. Wala pin terrace, pero I mean, di nga ang restaurant, direta rin makanitang kaya. It doesn't, the places doesn't matter or guys. Minsan yung pamangan Paman talaga. Pamangan Japanese sabi ko din. I don't know, 50% presentation. It's with the art. Yun yung art form in pamangan. Kanya pimpotang kanan makanano may kayang umpisan. Kaya ako guys, takman ko Kenny, iming karelang salmon belly.
Ako, umpisan tayo na rin dyan kain. Ramen. So, umpisan tayo ng Nihon Machi Ramen. Let's eat the Japanese way.
Manyaman.
Ayan, okay.
Super. Mangan na kayo Kenny.
Lord, alaksan.
Kabang luna. Thank you.
Dadaan po sir.
Chief, thank you. Guys, another dish came in. Aus na is miso ramen. So, based on the physical observation, na itang kakagad ko pa mo. Super thick yung karelang sauce. Okay, but first impression may kadatang na. Aneka aromatic. Taste test naman ngayon Ha? Japanese style. Mapali yun. Hindi naman karelang kain na yung meat daw. Oh man, that is super soft. Okay, but potang kinisan mo yan, balo mo rin itong pidikit-dikit na rin itong fiber na ng meat at inyang kaya, flavor in it, makanita na kakain. So it also has mushroom. This is a pork tonkatsu with Japanese curry. Pansinan niyo yung serving ngayon, King tansya ako pala mo. 3 rice din. Ika, what do you think? Potang order ka? 3 rice na. Kaya batatin niyang Japanese curry. So, in it, guys, akakit ko rin ang spices na ginamit. The Kenny, the potato, the carrots, and then, the tonkatsu. Ating nining karelang soft pork ribs. As in, super soft, falling off the bone. Super, Let's try it. So, yeah. Look at that.
Yeah!
Mananakbag na yun. Ay, naku.
Sobrang hand.
Kamusta? Malambot siya?
Nambula.
Ha? Lasa na.
Okay yung tanga blood na. Pag linulok mo na, swabe.
Linunok mo na. Wow! Thank you, sir. Okay, so guys, the dishes just keeps on coming. And next dish na binyenta kaya tamo guys is chicken karage. Tamantaya, remember? So you have to put lemonade pa mo pala. I remember now. Okay. And then taste it. Pero bala mo, chicken thigh lang yung ginamit lang kasi super tender. So that one steaming hot. As simple as it is, kay kanong Japan as in di nande mong lemon nini. Chow chow. Done. Ano ito?
Grilled.
Okay.
So, subukan tayo. Grilled bawa. Naman niya. Promise.
So what do you think are these guys, I'll give you like 3 seconds. So actually guys, kaila rin grilled rice, soaked with sake, and then natin yung bala mong coated yung bagyang soy sauce, mga yan, and then grilled yun. So first time kong maka-encounter na kanit. Grilled na pala rin nasing yan. So takman tayo. It's still hot, hot from the grill. Tingnan tayong kain. How does it look like inside? Ooh, okay. So ito, it's just a plain rice. As you can see, sabi da, king orientation, yun ang Japanese kan potang yari na la, patong nang nalang kain mga yan. Huling atin niyang sake ini, mas makarelax siya pa. Balang potang mayari na mga yan. And then natin yung included na pickles. Ayan na. So let's taste it. Crunchy in the outside, very soft, kaya itong kilub na ababaw mo rin ito sa akin, but makadagdag yung flavor yun kayo. Pickles. Must try here, must try. Yum. Tingin ko tang kaya kayo guys so nung bat na kayo Japan, nanularet ang pamangan na Ewa kalingon. Itang bala mo karasyo kayo ng Pilipinas, pantunan mo yung pamunin mga yan comment sila po rito, let's discuss them. And kaya ni pong Nihon Machi, sabi ko kaya kayo, authentic Japanese cuisine la rin kayo rin during weekends, at nila pong kaya ni buffet. And for further information, just check out their fan page you can contact them kay but kutang yu po nung available ba rin mga nining dishes. Anyapin sabi ko kaya kayo nandin nung ating kayong aming miss pamangan keng Japan malyari lang putang. Pero ito guys, magpasalamat kami keng Nihon Machi for inviting us. And really, they're just a new player kay ni pong Angeles City. They are open Monday to Sunday from 11 a.m. up until 10 p.m. And they serve authentic Japanese cuisine.
Located lang in 35 Camia Street, Barangay Kutkut, Angeles City.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, guys. Worth it siya, and also, we're in Pampanga, deserves all the likes. And
Please
also,
follow and subscribe.
yes!
Thanks so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Yun. Until our next discovery, guys.
Peace out.
Thank you so much.
Stop it.
Yeah.